قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ. I seek refuge in the Master who tears open. You know what you're saying? Whatever dangers there are, whatever I'm seeking protection from that seems so unbreakable, I'm coming to the one who can break anything. Do you see why Rabb al-Falaq is important? Everything that is bothering you, that seems like it's never going to go away. Someone is harassing you, they're not leaving you alone. Someone's oppressing you, they're not leaving you alone. Some situation seems like it's endless, it's not going away. All of this is the evil of what Allah made. And all of that evil Allah can tear open in no time. You can just rip it apart. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ مِنْ شَرِّ مَا خَلَقَ. The expression here, literally and figuratively, is powerful. The dark night, as it gets super dark, as it intensifies in the depths of its darkness, but also means the circumstances that are bad, and then they get so worse, you feel like there's no way anybody can ever come out of this circumstance. And that's when you have to remember that Allah is the one who tears all of this darkness open. You will find yourself in a situation where you will believe it is absolutely impossible to get out. There's no way out. I've thought about it a million times. There's no way, there's no plan, no scheme, no money, no help from anyone is getting me out of this problem. And in those situations, you're going to have to understand no creation can help you. Only Allah can make a way that nobody else can. Only Allah can tear open darkness like nobody else can. He is Rabbul Falaq.